How'd you have that as an audio set? How do you do that?
First you need $500.
Oh, okay.
I'm not lying. It's called a Go XLR.
Really? And you just set your audio to it?
Yeah, something
God,
like that.
fucking wigger, dude.
Good job.
Can we get a bomb? I mean,
Oh.
I'm planting the bomb.
Plant.
Terrorists win.
Never mind, you head.